Okay, right now I have two different drawings, or two different objects. I have the first floor, and I have the second floor. But they're not on top of each other, so I can't verify that these lines, or these walls, line up, or whether the stairs line up. So what I want to do is I want to be able to move this second floor right on top of the first floor so that I can verify alignment. That way I know that the garage is in the right place, the stairs are in the right place, everything's according to the way it should be. The only way to do that is to place this second floor on top, and I'm going to do that using XREFs. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this second floor from this first floor drawing by the use of a W block. And all I'm doing is I'm going to write a block. Now remember, a block is a drawing. So what I'm doing is I'm going to create another drawing by pulling this out of the first floor. So I'm just going to type W and enter. The first thing I want to do is I want to tell it where I want it saved. So don't make a mistake and start doing this where you're saving this file in an unknown location. Go ahead and use this button and choose where it's going to go. So I'm going to save it right here, and I'm going to call it Arch 200 Floor 2. Okay, so I know where it was saved and I know the file name. So now I'm going to select the objects. And I am going to say okay. Now right now the pick point is 0, 0, 0. That's okay. I say okay. Now all of that disappeared. Now let's make sure I've got everything. All of my layers are on. So now I know I don't need these because this is the first floor drawing, it's not the second. So I'm going to purge. And I'm just going to get rid of everything I don't need. Layers. Here's the layers that I don't need. I'm going to purge all items. Let's go to dim 2. Purge this item. Okay. I'm going to close. Alright, so this is my base now. The first floor is exactly where I want it to be. If I go back up to my layers, all of these things are gone. Now this one didn't delete. Let's see if I can delete it. And it says that there's something in there that's used. So I'm going to go back to purge, see if there's an unused block, and there's not. All my layers are on. Let's see if I can isolate. Isolate this layer. See if there's anything on that. Where did that go? So there's nothing on that, so there must be something hidden that I don't know about. So anyway, that's it. I'm just going to unisolate all those. And there I have my first floor. So then I'm going to show you in the next video what to do with the second floor. But for now, this is it.